Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. This video will help you to write a paragraph to compare two people. When we compare, we talk or write about things that are similar or the same. Here is some vocabulary, some words for us to use here that we can use to say that these things are the same. We need some different words so we have mixed vocabulary in our writing. Also, we're going to focus on paragraph structure. So a good paragraph has structure, and these three things are really important for us to do and to use in this same order. So first is a topic sentence. So what are we writing about? So we've got the picture of these two people. So I've introduced these people, Jane and Tom. This is what we will write about, but Jane and Tom is a very big subject to write. So then I'm going to add that extra controlling idea about things in common. So this shows that this paragraph is only going to talk about things that these two people have in common. Yeah, it gives us the main idea for the paragraph. So then we need to write sentences about, well, what are these things that are the same about these two people? So our first sentence here is, they both play tennis and live in the same street. Both is to say there's the same. Then something else about these two people that is the same. New sentence with also. Good way to connect your ideas together. They play at the same tennis club. So same is showing, this is the same for both people. Now we want, what else do they share in common? What is the same for these people? So here I've added another sentence that they want to play for their country. And you can see I've used two. T-O-O. This is the same as also, but it's a good way to express, also, or this is the same idea for these people. Then something else that they share that's the same. So I talk about hobbies. They have similar hobbies and both do these things. Then family, they have this is the same. Tom has a big family and Jane does as well as showing this is the same. And then finally we need a concluding sentence. So I say that they are not brother and sister, they are not family, but are the same in many ways. So we're introducing that idea at the end. At the beginning we said they have many things in common. So we're going to repeat that main idea in our final sentence to finish. They are the same in many ways. This finishes off your paragraph nicely. So you're repeating that idea from your topic sentence. That same idea we write just a little bit differently in our concluding sentence. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.